future of the Sonic cinematic universe is bright, and after the events of Sonic 3, who knows where it'll go? I do. I have an idea, or at least an inkling of an idea. So, here are my thoughts. Spoiler warning, if you've not seen it, I'm spoiling the post-credits, so yeah, now you know. So at the very end of the film, we are introduced to the Legion of Metal Sonics in a Terminator-esque way, and an absolute carbon copy design from what is in the games. Sonic is then surrounded by many of them and basically jumped all at once, only to be saved by a mysterious person, that being Amy. And in the second post-credit scene, we see Shadow pick up his ring after we're believed that he's dead. And I don't know why they thought we would believe that he was dead. I mean, it's Shadow, come on. Aside from that, what does this say for the future of Sonic? Well, for sure, it's confirmed that Sonic's getting his own solo movie. Reason being, Paramount said if this did well in theaters that it would 100% happen, and we can see by the Rotten Tomatoes that that's the case. I believe at this point in time, it's sitting at a 96% on Rotten Tomatoes, so yeah, it's happening. Knuckles was redeemed for Season 2. As for when that's going to take place, I don't know if it's between now and Sonic 4, or after the events of Shadow's solo movie, or before it, who knows. We're also led to believe Eggman's dead. He's definitely not. So Sonic Adventure 2, as we know, is heavy inspiration for Sonic 3. After the events of Sonic Adventure 3, we are introduced to Sonic Heroes. Now in this game, the Metal Sonics are the main villain. Sonic, Shadow, Knuckles, Tails, Amy, and a few other characters all split up into different teams in order to fight off the different Metal Sonics. In this game, we find out that Dr. Eggman isn't dead. He survived, and he's been making Metal Sonics ever since. Meaning this dude, quite literally, after an explosion, got right to work. After the events of Sonic Heroes, we are left to speculate what Shadow's story is going to be for the future, which then leads into a Shadow the Hedgehog solo game. And since Amy is now confirmed to be in the Sonic universe, I'm almost positive that this is now going to be the story. Sonic 4 will be Sonic Heroes in its own quirky way. Just without Chaotix, maybe, I don't know, that was mentioned in Sonic 3, Rogue, Cream, and a few others that are supposed to be in this game, unless they bring them in a way that makes sense. As for Shadow's solo movie, it's definitely going to dive into his past. The Black Arms dealers, where he came from, with Gerald Robotnik, all of that just being intertwined into one film. Where inevitably, in the end, he teams up with Sonic and the rest of them in the true hero ending and helps fight off different threats that will threaten the Earth in future movies. So the future for the Sonic universe, as I've mentioned, is very bright, and I'm really looking forward to where they're going to go with this.